What do these things go for? Like,
So two badges, 2 buttons. Go drop off the chair. Go.
July 1969. A 112 set for man, one giant leap for mankind. 20 July 1969. 112 set for man, one giant leap for robotic dog kind. In lunar orbit, called to control the Columbia, waited for the planet to endure. Armstrong and Aldrin and the Eagle descended down to the surface as intended. Eagle has landed. That's what I said. I said the Eagle has landed. That's what I said. I said the Eagle has landed. That's what I said. 20 July 1969. One small step for man, one giant leap for robotic dog kind. 20 July 1969. One small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. What happened? Mostly is. Does the robotic dog like to go on stage? Maybe during our set we should get this dog up here. This robotic dog. Yeah. Come on up, little fella. I don't think I trust it. Our drummer's terrified of it, but we love it.